Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion I'm going to show you third exercise, and if you missed previous discussion about LinkedIn integration, please check, link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the WebLearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 1718 development tutorial. This is the main playlist. It's cover all the topics, and if you want to learn more about topic wise, you can refer this playlist. Alright, let's back to our main topic. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot, plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So the third exercise is how you can convert number to text, right? For example, let's say I'm going to the sales order, right? The total of this order is $1,706 US, right? If I will open this form view, if you scroll down, I have created this field. Alright, so basically what it does is it will convert this monetary field into text message, right? You can see here $1,706, right? You can see here 1,706, after that the currency name, right? If you are working with the multi-currency, let's say in this case I'm using here INR as the Indian rupee, right? You can see here 377.50 cents, right, in INR. So how it converts? 377 rupees and 50 paisa. So like this way you have to also do the same thing, alright? Not only in the sales order, but let's say while you are trying to print the report, right, you can see at the end you have to also print this field, right? Not only in the sales order, you have to perform three different major models. The first one is the sell model, right, which I already show you. The second is the account, right, in the sales, in the customer invoice, right? You can see here you can also verify, this one, verify this and this one, right? Plus you have to also print the report, right? Not only this one, but here in the purchase order as well, you can verify here, plus report also. Alright, so you have to perform the same operation in a separate module. And yeah, if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below, and see you in our next session. And meanwhile, I will also upload the solution only for the members only, and after some time I will try to launch in public. Alright, best of luck.